I just kicked my camera. I'm so excited. Okay, it looks so cool. So before we get started installing these extensions, I want to run through the package that Curly Heaven actually sent me because I'm pretty excited, and the box and everything, the packaging is super cute. So I'm gonna start off with the extensions. They came in this box right here. So it says naturally beautiful. And then when you open it up, it's a little stiff. When you open it up, it comes like this. It says your hair day just got a whole lot better. And you have these two slips here that it's return policy and FAQs, and then on the other one you have care guide, so how to wash it, clean it, brush it, all that good stuff. And then this is how your extensions come. So I think this is a really cute box. I'm actually gonna take it out of this box. So this is how the packaging comes, and it's so dope. This is your tester here. This is to decide if it'll match your curl pattern or not. I really think that they did get my curl pattern to a T. I'll leave the description of what curl pattern they sent me and everything either somewhere on the screen, or if not, definitely in the description box below. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. My curl pattern has gotten a bit looser. I have not refreshed my hair. I was thinking I was gonna refresh before I do the extensions, but then I'm like, I could just refresh it together. That way it can mesh together a little bit more. I've never done curly extensions, so this is like a first impressions, like we're trying this for the first time kind of thing, like in general. So we'll see how this goes. I did open the tester and it looked like my curl pattern a little bit. My hair might be a little bit more curly than this though, but my curl pattern really in and out. Some days it's a lot more looser and some days it's a little bit more curlier, so we'll see once I refresh. But honestly, this does look like my curl pattern right now. It smells so good. So this is like what it looks like. I think once I refresh with my hair together, it's gonna look bomb. It is like exactly my natural color. Like, I hope you guys can kind of see, except for at my ends, it's a little bit lighter because of the highlights, but we're gonna see if we can somehow blend that out and like work our magic. Again, I don't know because I've never done this before, but they did send me this, and this is the tester. So let me put the tester away. Oh, and then right here they have a little reminders letting you know that this is a part of your full set right here, just so you can see the texture and everything and make sure it matches. But if you wear it, obviously you can't return it, but you can test this out and see if it would match your hair, and then if it doesn't, you can obviously return it. So it's just giving you a little note right here. You have the extensions right here, which I'm so nervous about. Oh, and then obviously right here it says hello heavenly hair, and then you have your full set of extensions here. And so this is the packaging, really cute. We're gonna take that out in a second, but I want to run you guys through everything else. Then they also sent me these two little packages here. This one is to it says Curly Heaven, designed to gently detangle hair. So this is a brush that they sent me. I actually haven't had a brush like this that has like the bristles and like the comb thing, so this should be interesting. I'm not gonna try it on my hair, but I can already feel that it's actually pretty soft and dope. So it actually has their brand name right there. So this is cute. I'm excited about this. I wonder if I can style with this. I've never tried it again with this brush, so we shall see. I took a sneak peek at this because I was just curious at what it is, and then I saw that it says silk scrunchies, and I got excited because I've been wanting to invest into getting some silk scrunchies and I just haven't. So let me show y'all, because Curly Heaven hooked it up for me. So they gave me a bunch of silk scrunchies, and I love scrunchies. That's for one. Like, I have this tired, horrible one on my wrist right now, but like, they gave me this rose gold color. They gave me this thin black one. They also gave me a thin white one. And then like this nude tan color. And then like a really thick black one. And they all have their tags, Curly Heaven. So these are really dope, and I'm actually really excited for these. And this is like, this black one is gonna be perfect for putting my hair up in a pineapple at nighttime. Okay, so now we're getting into the moment of truth, and we're gonna see if I know how to install curly hair clip-in extensions. I don't think I even know how to install regular extensions, but we can make it work. I'm gonna go grab a comb and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I got my comb. I'm gonna take all the wefts out so I can see what I'm working with. So they come like this, and then I'm gonna just unbutton it. Unbutton it. You guys, my words ain't coming to me today, but you guys know what I mean. So this is how it looks. It still has the net, so let me take the net out. Honestly, I think they got my curl pattern to a T. I really do think they have. Right now my curls are really dry, but like, you know what I mean? I think it works. My curls are a little dry, as I said. I'm really glad I thought about styling it after it was already on, so that way it can like mesh together. I hope. But I think I've seen people, like when I do see people use extensions and stuff, they kind of put them in and then kind of like straighten their hair and stuff like that. I haven't seen somebody put curly extensions in, I don't think. Either way, we about to be on this ride together. So right here I have a 4-clip weft. So 2 clips and 5 3 clips and then 2 4 clips. Does that make sense? Again, I'll have it in the screen. If not, definitely in the description box below. But this is how it looks. It has a nice length to it. It's about my same length, actually. It might be a little bit longer. This is perfect, but this is beautiful. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate the clips so I know which one I'm gonna go for. Because what I do know by extensions is that you use the bigger clip ones towards the back and then the smaller clips towards the front, okay? So let's see, I'm gonna start about here. I'm so nervous. I was honestly procrastinating on filming this video because I just think that I might make a mess and it's just not gonna look good. But how would you know if you never try? And I'm not horrible with hair. I'm decent. I like to think I'm decent. I'm not too bad. Okay. Ooh, okay. So yeah, you see I have highlights and my highlights kind of came through again. But this is all I'm leaving out and we're gonna start. Okay, so let's see. Also my mirror, if you guys know my studio, how it looks, my mirror is on this side, so that is what I'm looking at. Oh, this might be, okay, no, wait. I need to make sure it's centered out and here. Okay. All right. Oh! I just kicked my camera, I'm so excited. Okay, it looks so cool. Oh, this is about to look dope. Okay. I'm getting excited. I'm getting so excited. Calm down, Kendra. Calm down, because you know that was only one. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a little bit higher. I don't know what I'm doing. I know, but we're gonna figure this out. The thing about it is, I feel like my hair is a little bit like thinner up front than it is in the back. Yeah, what I mean was I'm gonna add a lot of it towards the front, because the back doesn't really need much, but I'm gonna try to make sure it blends in well. It's easy, like clip-ins are so easy though. I think I'm a pro now, you know? I want a side part. I'm gonna just do that real quick. And then I'm gonna figure everything out. Like I want some wefts around here, like 2 3s maybe around here, because my crown does need some love. So let me grab a 3. Y'all, you know what I'm thinking about right now? How hard is it gonna be for me to like take all of these things out? It's gonna tangle up in my hair. Ooh, who are you? Who are you with all this hair? I don't even know. All right, so come around here and put a 3. I think it's okay if it's like on top of each other, right? As long as it doesn't necessarily show, but also I'm not going anywhere, so I don't care. I'm thinking that I don't have to put all of these in. And this is good. This is great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually do it all over again. I'm gonna take these out and kind of do it all over again, because maybe I only want one 4 clip down there, and then I can work with the 3s around my head more evenly, because this is showing right here, but it doesn't look bad. It's blending nicely. You see? It's not bad at all. But the clips is like, it's too much in my head, and yeah. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take these out and then kind of start all over again. All right, you guys, so I kind of put all of I left over, I have 3 clips left over, and then the 1 4 clip left over. So I realized my mistake the first time was that I tried to put a 4 clip all the way down here, and it's like, it doesn't make sense. Then I remembered I seen people put in extensions before, and usually like the 4 clip can be around the crown of the head, which that's what I ended up doing now. I don't know if everything is covered, but I also haven't refreshed. So what I'm going to do now is refresh my curls and make sure my, my edges are laid and everything, and then we'll kind of mesh the hair together because it is a little bit longer than my natural hair. If you guys can see, it's a little bit longer and it's a little bit more stringy at the bottom. So I'm gonna try to, my hair is also very dry. So I'm just going to start refreshing. I'm gonna use some water. This is really dope though, like it's really dope. If this really works, like ends up just looking bomb, I might use them for more shoots and stuff. Starting to come together a lot better now. Because now that my hair is a little wet, it's like the shine is coming through. Now I'm just gonna use my regular products. I'm gonna use some leave-in. Just know my leave-in just went everywhere, like straight across the room. I am putting product at the top because right now I'm just more focused on really like blending this together. I'm not focused on like volume and stuff where you would keep the product away from the top. Right now I don't really care. I just kind of want to make it mesh. This is a lot of hair though. I don't know. I was complaining or saying how my hair wasn't thick, but I'm good. I'm good where I'm at. Cause this feels like too much hair, bro. Like, oh my God. I can't wait to take these out already. I'm very like, I'm not tender headed, but I get very, like if I'm just uncomfortable, then I'm ready to take it out. Like that's why when I was wearing wigs and I was getting them professionally installed, it was like, I wanted to take them out like the next day. Like sleeping with that? No, thank you. I'm good. I just don't like being uncomfortable. Like, especially when I'm trying to sleep. Oh my gosh, I get frustrated as heck. Okay, so I'm just gonna go real quick. I'm gonna add some gel, and then I'm probably gonna add something around here because over here it looks a little bit weird. I'm gonna go figure it out. I'm gonna look in the mirror and then try to figure it out, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I did, all right? RB. Hey guys, look at my long hair, my long thick hair. Okay, I am done. What I did was I just wetted up some more. I added some gel, some Eco Styler gel, and then I just I laid down my edges and I just kind of put this back here because I kind of like my side part like that. And so this is what my final result looks like. I was thinking about diffusing it, but then I just decided not to. I really like this kind of like wet look and I want it to dry naturally to see. I just want to see how it looks. So this is my results. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. It might look, here's the thing, I might have not applied it well, and there's probably a couple of things that I could have done better. So if anybody sees this that knows how to do extensions, especially like curly extensions, and you can help me out with some tips, then I'd appreciate it. But besides that, I'm definitely gonna play around in these a lot more. I think the quality is really dope. I think they did a really good job at just like kind of eyeballing my hair and kind of, you know, seeing my hair type and my curl pattern and everything and texture and kind of matching it, and it really did good. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the back. So as you guys can see, my hair is still a little bit on the drier side. These extensions are pretty long. I'm gonna tell you guys the length and everything in the description box below, and I'm gonna move back so you guys can see. This is how long it looks. My first impressions is that this is freaking dope. If you guys have curly hair and you haven't tried curly extensions, then I say go for it, because I feel like a lot of people's dream length is like waist length with like really thick and healthy curly hair, and you can kind of like use some extensions and kind of fake it till you make it, you know what I mean? Because everybody's all about manifesting nowadays, but then they get mad when you're trying to manifest like stuff like this. You can fake it till you make it, you know what I mean? Fake it till you make it. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these curly extensions, because Lord knows I do want my hair to grow this long. I'm only a couple of inches away. So thank you, Curly Heaven, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me your clip-in extensions as well as the brush. I did use the brush a little bit, and the scrunchies, I'm definitely going to be using those. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and thank you for, yeah, I said all this already. I'm just really excited about this. So I'm gonna go take some pictures, so be sure to check me out on the gram, because I'm definitely gonna have this in, and I'm definitely going to be taking a lot more pictures with this with these curly extensions. And as I play around, I'm gonna get better. I could probably even do like ponytails and stuff. Oh my gosh, my creative juices are flowing, and this is like the best. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. I hope this video wasn't too long and too boring, and hopefully you guys got something out of it. Yeah, if you want to know the information on the hair and more information about Curly Heaven, then be sure to check the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Too much pain up in his back, can't put it in rotation. Remember bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fun life, cause these bitches be playing. Too much pain up in his back, can't put it in rotation. Remember bitches try to front, but them little bitches basic. If my opposition's front, just know them niggas fake. I get money, I can't fun life, cause these bitches be playing. They don't want you to win, they want you to lose. Gotta keep it quiet when you bustin' your moves. Feelin' got me aching. So